Hi everyone, it's Brenda from the Old Millbrook School Early on Child and Family Center, and I have Junior, my special helper, and Derek, who is my cameraman right now, that are we're going to go on a nature walk right now. And for this nature walk, we are bringing some Play-Doh, and we just don't know what we're gonna do with our Play-Doh. I think we will find out and have some ideas as we go along, okay? So let's get going. Let's go now. Oh, Derek and Junior, do you guys have any idea of what you're gonna do with your Play-Doh along the walk today?
We could sculpt it. We could, we could squeeze it.
Squeeze it, okay. What were you guys doing earlier, just a couple minutes ago?
Throwing it up in the air and catching it.
Were you successful?
Yeah. Oh, no. Well, I kind of messed up once, and he just messed up right now.
All right, let's go and continue our walk and see what else we can do with it. Hey Derek, what are you doing with your Play-Doh?
I'm putting it against the tree so I can get a bark pattern.
Oh, so you just stick it in there?
Yeah.
And then now you're lifting it slowly. And the Play-Doh's a little sticky, but you can see the pattern in there.
Looks very bumpy.
It looks bumpy. That's right. Now you have some bark on your Play-Doh. That's fun. Hi, Bella. Okay, let's continue our walk.
This looks nice.
Oh, are you going to do the same thing as Derek Jr.?
Yep. Well, we could do a little one.
Let's see.
Also looks quite bumpy.
Nice pattern. Can you hold it for a second? Nice. Here.
I think I'm gonna do a leaf pattern on my face, and I'll do the pine. Don't wanna wreck the tree.
Are you doing it with the front or the back of the leaf?
I'll try the front and see if that works out. Then I'll try the back. Trying to not harm the leaves. Oh, I can kind of see it in there.
Let me see. Oh yeah, that's right. You can see the pattern of the leaf. That's nice.
That's cool.
Oh, that's gonna be a
Prickly.
prickly one, Junior.
Yeah. Oh, that looks nice.
Oh, it does. Nice one. Let's see what else can we do with our Play-Doh. Do you guys have any ideas, friends? Maybe you can ask the adult that is with you to type it for us. Hey, Junior, what do you have there?
Just finishing the last touches up for my smiley face. And now we can see the leaves, the marks, and then take off the this one.
That's a nice idea. I have the two eyes with leaves. What did you use for the nose?
I used a little leaf on the ground that was old.
Nice.
I found these two also on the ground and got a stick from the ground.
Good job. What do you have there, Derek?
I made like a tiny collage. Like, I found a leaf, I found a stick, and I found a tiny pine cone.
Nice. So you can also make art and get creative with the Play-Doh during your walk. That's a nice idea. Hey, Derek. You found a little water here?
Yeah. Let's see if the Play-Doh floats or sinks.
Let's see. What do you think is going to happen?
It sinks.
Oh, it does. Did you think it was going to float, maybe?
Yeah. I got a little tiny piece, maybe it would float.
It does sinks right away.
Yes.
Okay, everyone. So we went for a nice little walk today, and we actually had quite a bit of fun with the Play-Doh, huh? Didn't we, Derek?
Yeah.
So with the Play-Doh, Derek and Junior were able to do a couple of different things. What are some of the things you did?
We made patterns with bark, and the pattern is very bumpy. We made it with leaves, and the patterns were very soft, smooth. And we made it with pines, and they were very prickly.
That's right. And also they were able to get creative, and they made a couple of creations there as well with the natural materials that we found along the way, right? So you use some
Leaves, sticks, pine cones.
That's right. And so with a little bit of a couple materials, like Play-Doh and natural loose parts that we find along the walk and a lot of imaginations, you're able to have lots of fun. So how about next time you go on a hike, you let us know what sort of things you see, and maybe take a picture or two of a couple of things that you did through your walk and share with us, okay? That's everything for now. See you next time. Bye now.
Bye.